Alright. Fuck up, I gotta do my intro, okay? Nah, just kidding.
Alright.
Don't have an intro.
We can't have you talk
We're
shit, right?
yeah, we can't be doing that. Alright.
Yeah,
Well, anyways. Alright, guys. We got. I'm already started the video. I don't even know edits. We going straight into this. Dive straight into the pussy. I mean, yeah. So we got a box of Immortal Destiny.
I got a box.
Oh, he got a box. This is his. He got all this, and then this is. Doesn't even matter. This is all GameStop.
Lucky with these.
Yeah,
you got really lucky with these.
Yeah.
Pulled up at GameStop just to get more.
I didn't even see these when they were at the store. He said
he's blind.
He's like, let me get those two, and then I got here and I was like, what the fuck?
Those were the only two they had.
Yeah.
So I had to get them.
So this is from our locals, and then this is from the GameStop because he had a gift card. This is also from the locals. So see which one has better pools.
Let's see if we can get any of these expensive Evil Hero cards in here. If
yeah.
not,
Well, the Dusted
we're
Gold
still gonna
and
get
the
those. We're just
Malicious Bane.
Really
excited for these though.
Yes.
Phantasma in there probably. All right, what do you want to start with?
We can go with whatever, brother. Since these are only two, I say we save these for last.
Yeah, save those for last.
We save the best for last.
I agree. How about we start with one pack?
One pack
of each.
All right.
Our other friend's here, but he's not talking because he's a little gay. Here, Ray.
All right. So here's first pack. Let's see if we can get it. All right.
Multi-roll.
Contact Gate. Dragon Eddy. Crossbreed. Okay.
Ooh, Shizuku. Pretty nice.
Nightmare Phoenix.
No, he pulled a Shizuku. Not bad, not bad. That prismatic Shizuku is pretty nice.
Are you gonna use these for hire, Race?
So we're gonna go with the second pack here.
All right, I might make that shit. We'll see.
Oh, I got some of those at the house.
All right.
So we got red. Here's another for hire card. Waking the Dragon's pretty good. Ooh.
Reverend Dread?
Ooh, Cyber Dragon Seeker. That's not bad. I don't really play Cyber Dragons. Crusadia Regulex. I mean, my bad. Reclusia. Nothing really fancy, but not that bad. Not that bad.
I still don't know which ones are the best cards in here. I'm getting into this, but let's see.
Nice. The Shizuku.
Third pack from the shit.
Mega pack.
Mega pack, and I kind of bent this card a little bit. I'm sorry. Bear Blocker. Patchwork for full. Thunder Dragon Discharge. Trickstar. Dino Wrestler. Grave Flight. Thunder Dragon Dark.
Ooh, that's a good one.
Thunder Dragon Colossus. Those are two good ones.
That's pretty good.
If you don't have use for those, Ray, you can probably sell those.
Probably don't. We don't even use Thunder Dragons, so that's kind of sad. But that's nice.
It's kind of sad.
Those two are sad.
We don't really use Thunder
Dragons. We like to build our own.
Yeah, we play Rogue. We play Rogue.
And then, but the homie bought this one, try to get that Nibiru out of these promo packs.
He wants a Nibiru. See if we get the Nibiru.
And maybe a Regeki. That'd be nice too.
Maybe a Red Reboot.
Red
I saw some people pull those.
Red Reboot is from the Mega Pack.
I saw some people pull it out.
Oh yeah. So we got the Exodia, Red Eyes Alternative, Raw, Obelisk. I think we got.
You got it.
Yeah.
High five, my bro.
The Nibiru.
Let's go.
That's nice.
Did you get the Wing Dragon of Raw too?
So I'm gonna put this
you can use that now too with your sphere mode.
If you want, you can pull this down.
Nah, we got light. This lighting is good.
You sure?
So we got the Nibiru. That's pretty good. Like $12. Just I'll put that.
At the end.
Oh, these are all the hollows. So we'll put
Actually, we want to sleeve this Nibiru. Sleeve the Nibiru. Oh damn, these things are tight.
Tell me, it looks better or not?
Yeah, just drop that shit.
Yeah,
Drop it like it's hot. We'll sleeve the dark. And Shizuku. Go ahead, bro. We're doing Dark Neostorm next?
Yeah, we can do this. Where was the... Oh, these were the promo packs for this one.
Yeah.
Fury Fire, Shooting Riser Dragon.
Yeah, that was for the Dark Neostorm.
Yeah, special edition from GameStop. These are from GameStop. Let's see what happens.
Looking for a Tengyurshu. Or even a Silent Mining would be really nice, actually.
There we go. This is a little difficult. Morschlag, Firewall Guardian, Mystic Mine.
Mystic Mine. Ooh.
Extra.
That's nice. You're gonna need that for your hero deck.
That's beautiful. Awesome.
You can just throw that Mystic Mine away.
Alright.
Next Dark
Put
Neostorm.
all the race cards together so we know. I just might need these ones. So we'll get this for this.
That's all you ask? Shut the fuck up.
could see that I could trade you.
Goki. Ah, Logis Flame. Sad. You can have that, Ray.
Calling is one card maybe.
Second out of the special. Incantation Originator. Crawler. Salamangreat Fennec. I'm not even going to try to pronounce that. Firewall Exceed Dragon. Is this good?
Never mind. I thought that was a different one. I thought that was a Dingirsu. That's not bad. It's a
Side
ultra rare.
Reflector. Honey Gallop. Super Quantum World Legacy Collapse. Alright.
Next pack. Destiny Hero.
Damn, I hate being sick.
Ooh, Fusion Destiny. You need that.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
There you go. Everything else is just garbage.
Alright.
The ones that might be really hard to
Last
be
pack.
the malicious, no?
Yeah, definitely. And the Dusted.
Mold, Firewall.
But Dusted is actually harder to pull.
Legacy.
Crackdown, not bad. It's good
TG.
for IF.
Halberd Cannon. What? What's this?
It's a rare.
That's just a rare. Snowman Effect. Dino Return.
Yeah.
Creature. Alright.
Last Dark Neostorm. Let's go. Believe in the heart of the cards. Oh. Pendulum Hat. Gay. I mean, not. You know what I mean. Alright, so we didn't really get anything off the Dark Neostorm, so let's move on to the Chaos.
Hold on.
Would be nice to get a Prismatic or even a Blue
What
Tang.
is this?
You can have that.
What are you looking at?
I have more at the house actually.
Alright.
Come on, Blue Tang. Ah, Crystal Heart. Damn. Ooh, actually, not that. That's pretty good for the 10E.
What are you looking for in this Chaos Impact, Rudy?
Anything. Any
Spiral Galaxy, Old Mine, DD Patrol Plane,
anything good.
Criminal
Nah,
Hungry,
That's okay. I have like 4 of those.
Jerry Cannon, Marensis Snow, and Skipper Enchanted. Do you want to separate these hollows or not?
Nah, you can just put them all. I have a bunch of them already.
Where are you putting these ones?
So you can just put them up here. Fine. And then I want the any of the secret rares or the even a prismatic would be sick, but probably not gonna happen. Tremor.
Any tissue ray or something? I hate being sick.
Tremor. Okay. So nothing too exciting. We're gonna move on
That's
to
not your nut rag, is it?
No.
People handed me his nut rag, bro.
We're gonna move to the Mortal Destiny. This is the GameStop stuff. So then we'll move to the box.
In my room and play at the same time, so I need something to wear.
All right, I get you. Let me see.
Oh,
Let me
nice.
see that list, right? See if we pull anything.
Sentence of Doom.
Right. I didn't put the extra deck in
You
there.
put the supers and then the rares here, and then commons in the middle.
All right.
You're gonna need that.
There's a Dark Calling,
Yeah. You only need one. though.
Oracle of the Sun, Gimmick Puppet, Junk Puppet, and Ultimate Earthbound Immortal. Which one's this one? This one goes right here?
Malicious Edge.
You actually pulled the
Yeah, right there.
Earthbound Immortal?
No, Ultimate
You might need that.
Earthbound Immortal.
Oh, that card's pretty.
Gimmick Puppet Doll. Hey, Fusion. Starting Fusion. If you play Super Poly, that's a pretty good target.
You can need one of those.
Oh, shit.
The deck devastated.
Damn. The hell hit the camera.
I don't want you. I might be right here. I can
Alright. Dive Inferno, Predaponics, Gimmick Puppet Destroy, Gimmick Puppet, and then another Starving Venom Fusion Dragon.
So, Doom Caliber. Nah, no hollow in this one. So far we got the Shizuku, we got the Nibiru, and the Thunder Dragon Dark.
You got a Shizuku?
Well, he got from the Mega Pack.
Oh yeah, that's right.
Malicious Edge.
Evil Hero what?
Malicious Edge. There's 2 of them in there. I'm not sure if you're gonna need that. But
Evil Hero Inferno Prodigy, number 40 Gimmick Puppet, Diebound, Predaponics, and Gimmick Puppet Terror Baby.
Your heroes, you want.
Dusted.
Yeah. One of them malicious. Dusted Gold. Sinister Necros.
Yeah, Sinister Necros. So, Spirit. Malicious Fiend.
And then Shadow Mist as well.
Yeah, Shadow Mist is not in this though.
Oh yeah.
Nah.
So not all evil heroes come out in
Earthbound Immortal.
majority.
I don't know. How to
All,
say that, bro.
the evil heroes come on here, but the Shadow Mist is an elemental
Pretty
hero.
Plant, Gimmick, Zoma, and Predaprime Fusion.
Right.
Predator Plant.
No, Predaprime.
Oh, Predator Prime.
Yeah.
Predator Prime. Gimmick. Ooh,
A lot of the Predator Plant came out rare in what was it?
not bad. Another. That's an ultra rare.
I think in Doe Power.
Ultra rare. Here's the gold letters on top. All right, so nothing from there. We're gonna go into the box.
There we go.
The box is from Locals.
Yeah. See if Locals gives us any luck.
4, 5.
For how much?
65, I believe.
65.
Little dragon. Another super poly target.
Oh yeah, I heard about them.
Earthbound
Check that
Immortal.
card out.
Called Earthbound, Gimmick Puppet, Subplate, Dark Sanctuary.
Ooh, Dark Sanctuary, not bad. But you don't even play the Destiny board ones.
Yeah.
Puppet again. So if you get a hollow, it'll be the fourth one.
Gimmick, Pez Stride, Predaplant, and Predaplantina.
Caliber.
So the silver ones are what?
These ones are the rares. These ones go here. Then the supers, and then they got the ultras. Here we go. Mastery again. Oh shit, I have one here. Let's see. Nothing. Dark Sanctuary.
Oh, come on. There it is.
We got this. I can feel it in the heart of the cards.
Earthbound Immortal, Evil Hero, Malicious Fiend. So that's something I need. Earthbound Hero School, and Ultimate Earthbound Immortal. So far, I'm not seeing any of the cards we need.
Well, this one's just in the. We're just hunting for the evil heroes on this.
Yeah. Doom Caliber Knight, Doom Puppet, Dark Fusion. Another starting Venom Fusion Dragon. Okay.
Nothing. The fourth one.
Predaponics, Evil Hero, Malicious Edge. Is it donated? You know what?
I'm not sure.
It says Malicious Evil Hero, but it doesn't say.
It might be Malicious
Dark
Edge.
Spirit of Banishment and Perform Puppet.
Oh, that scared me. I was about to say.
Why?
Because I saw the fusion on it. I was like, oh, did I get it? Did I get it? Right, it's not it.
Come on, baby. Let this be worth it.
Got another fusion.
Evil Hero, Malicious Edge.
That's actually not that bad. The
Infernal Eternal Prodigy, Dark Fear, Fire Ant.
damn these. Let's see. Part practice. Stupid part practice.
Predaplant, Evil Hero, Infernal Gainer, Gimmick Puppet, Earthbound. Boom. Boom. Come on, baby. Any one of these expensive. Come on.
Yeah, pretty much, if you get either one of those, you pretty much make your money back.
Jump Puppet.
How much
They're like 70,
Dark
bro.
Necrofear, Predaplant, Dark Sanctuary. Did I get it? Oh.
Damn, dude. Pretty close. Not close, but I just got a little bit excited.
Predaplant,
Let's
Caliber
fucking
Knight,
go.
Jump Puppet, Dark Fusion, Spring King's Castle.
Nothing. Yeah, a little kiss.
Other cards. Gimmick Puppet, Predaplant, Nope. Dark Spirits Mastery.
Nah.
Don't need it. Predaplant Fusion.
That one's right there.
What are these? Seems like we're not having any luck, you guys.
I never know. Could be the last pack, if anything.
We'll see. See how this goes. Sun Dragon 80 again. Earthbound Revival. Close Earthbound. Give it to the turn. Oh my god. This rush.
I know, right?
This rush is so dope, but at the same time, it's like, ah.
I want my money.
Dark Necrofear. Call up the Earthbound. Gimmick Puppet. Earthbound Immortal. And try to planting. Or Predator Planning, I'm sorry.
Lots of rares.
Pred opponents, a lot of Pred. Gimmick Puppet, Earthbound, Supply, and Perform Puppet.
Alright, there's 4 more? Alright, 2 for you, 2 for me. Come on.
Plant, Gimmick, Soma.
Yugi gods, bless us.
Don Walker.
Is it? Don Walker?
Yeah.
Oh, actually, I think that might have been our 4th ultimate. Or ultra. Might not get any more.
We might not get any more. Oh well. We'll see what's up.
So it's... I don't know how many you get. 4? Oh, these are the ones you're looking at, right?
Jump Puppet, Sundragon, Earthbound, Doom Caliber, and Gimmick Puppet. Damn. It seems like we ran out of luck, you guys.
Yeah. Don't you get anything from any of this. That sucks. Well, I mean...
Maybe you guys shouldn't buy cards when you're sick. Gimmick Puppet,
Pack of Destiny.
Malicious Edge. Oh, I got one. I think I need that for no.
I don't know.
You don't know?
No?
No.
Damn.
No. No, you guys.
Unfortunate.
Super
So,
unfortunate.
Well, then, what did we get?
Go to locals and see if they need any of these cards, I guess. Probably not, but...
Probably not. We got some of these.
Everything full of these?
Yeah, and those over there too.
One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, there's 6 ultras. Huh. Alright, well. That fucking sucks. We did get the Nibiru. Right, and then we got a Thunder Dragon Dark, Shizuku, and a Seeger from the Megatins.
Well, that's the risk, you guys. You gotta risk it for the biscuit sometimes.
Biscuit for the biscuit. Oh shit, we got these 2.
Yes, we do.
So, that's the one you feeling?
Yes, sir.
Alright. Shit, I forgot about that.
Let's see if we get something lucky right here, you guys. GameStop, come in clutch. Or else we not shopping with you no more. EB Games all day. I think that's just closed already.
EB Games. Yeah. Oh, Lupine, not bad.
Shinobi Necro. Onisong Tuning. Time to Flyback.
His name's Thunderclap.
Neo Space Connector.
Thunderclap monk.
Neo-
Oh my god, that's
Neo
hilarious.
Fusion. Guard Dragon Andrade. Red Rising Dragon. Guard Dragon and Settlement. Nope. God, we didn't get lucky on this side, guys.
Nah, I didn't get it. Nothing. Got Thunderclap though. Just kidding.
Clap some cheeks and it sounds like thunder.
Thunderclap. What'd you get?
Damn.
Neo's Fusion? Damn.
These are 2 cards that you need. That I've seen.
Oh, Foxer.
I don't know if you're separating them.
Yeah.
Valentine.
Alright, well. Oh well, we didn't really get anything. Sad day. See y'all on the next one.
Yes.
Peace out.